Cody and I have worked ourselves up a powerful, powerful thirst this Easter. Between cooking and hiding Easter eggs and running to find them, we are worn out. We're gonna start with 1 large can of thawed, frozen orange juice concentrate. We're gonna add 1 liter of club soda. And then we're gonna add 1 to 2 bottles, and you can determine how much you want, of champagne or a sparkling wine. And I'm gonna give that just a little stir around. And fill up my champagne glass and tuck an orange in it. That's really, really good. Wonder what some orange sherbet would do to this. I think next time I'll try that.